let it bang.
What's up, guys? For the most part, most of you guys know that I'm on like this healthy body journey thing. I don't even know what to call it. It's not really a weight loss journey. I'm just really trying to get my stomach area together. But today I'm just gonna share or show you guys one of my favorite detox waters to do. I'm gonna tell you guys, I do one detox water normally, but I have a new one that I want to try, so I thought, why not just vlog it? It's gonna be really quick. It's not gonna be a long vlog, but yeah, I just wanted to share it with you guys. And this detox that I'm going to show you guys is really good for weight loss. I've done some research on it, so it should help. It's supposed to help with, you know, your shrinking down that belly fat. But if you guys want me to show you my go-to detox water recipe, then let me know. It's pretty easy. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of it before. But yeah. Normally what I do is make the detox water, let it sit overnight, and then I'll just keep refilling the water up in there for just until there's like no flavor left in the ingredients. You can kind of taste it when it starts like losing flavor for real. So I'm gonna finish this one out while I cook my dinner, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna try out this new detox water recipe. But just a warning, if you're planning on drinking any detox water, these things make you go to the bathroom like crazy. I feel like a child that doesn't know how to hold their bathroom. Like, I have to pee every 2 seconds, but nonetheless, I enjoy them. So all right, guys, I'm done eating and I finished my water. Excuse my greasy face. But I'm going to first pour all the ingredients from the last detox water into the trash can. Poured all those out. I'm just gonna rinse out my cup or my bottle, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so I'm going into the refrigerator and we're gonna get the ingredients. It's a lot going on in here, but we have the grapefruit here. I ate some of this for breakfast, so I'm gonna put that out there. We're going to get a cucumber, and we're gonna get some ginger, probably need more, and some mint leaves. Got my cutting board, my knife, and I'm going to go rinse off the cucumber and the ginger. And we have all of our ingredients here. We're gonna go and fill this up with some water. So I'm just bringing this over to the refrigerator, and I'm gonna fill this up with some water. Not all the way, but with some water. And I have my cup, and the first thing I'm gonna do is cut this cucumber in half. That's not really half, but it's cool. And I'm just gonna cut some slices. Next, I'm gonna take this ginger, just a little bit left in here. Next, we are going to take some grapefruit, and this is already sliced pretty well in my opinion. You're probably not supposed to do this, but I always like to squeeze the stuff in there first, like squeeze my grapefruit, my lemons, or whatever I'm using, and then I drop it in. All right, so now that all of that is in there, the last thing I'm gonna take is this mint leaf. I got these from Walmart, and I'm just going to take a complete mint leaf and stick it in there. I'm gonna put my straw in there to push everything down. Close it up and shake it up a little bit so everything's not jumbled up together. And then you can proceed to add your ice and some more water if you'd like. But yeah. Now for storage, I normally just take little Ziploc bags and put like the rest of the cucumber and ginger or whatever else is left, and just wrap it up that way so that it doesn't go bad. And I just left the sink running wild. I'm gonna get another baggie for this ginger. Big baggies, little baggies. This was already in the big baggie, so I just left it in there. But I'm just putting my ginger, the rest of that ginger in there, filling it up and putting it back in the refrigerator. All right, guys. So here I am with my detox water that we just made, and I'm gonna sip it and see how it tastes. It's grapefruity. It just tastes like grapefruit with like a cucumbery taste. It kind of tastes like regular spa water, just how the normal detoxes usually do. It's not bad. It just has a lot of what is it called, like pulp coming out of the grapefruit. But other than that, I mean, I don't mind that, but if you don't like that, maybe you should just squeeze the juice in there and not put the whole fruit in there. But this will last me another like 2 or 3 good fill-ups with some fruit detox water. If you guys like these little mini detox water healthy videos, let me know. I'll do more of them. And then also, if you guys want me to do what I eat in a day, trying to lose my stomach fat type of thing, let me know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. It was nice and short, and this is good. So yeah, bye.